Need help solving a math problem? Microsoft Copilot can explain the answer step by step, not just give you the final result. Here's how to use it. First, open Microsoft Copilot on your computer grafter. In the search bar, type your math problem into the chat. You can enter anything from basic arithmetic to algebra, geometry, calculus, or statistics. For example, solve 3x plus 7 equals 22. Press enter, and Copilot will calculate the answer. If you want to understand the process, ask, "Show me the solution, step by step." Copilot will break the problem down into easy-to-follow steps, making it easier to learn how the answer was found. You can also ask follow-up questions like, "Explain this in simpler terms," or "Give me another problem to practice." This makes Copilot a helpful study partner instead of just an answer generator. That's how you can solve math problems with Microsoft Copilot in just a few clicks. It's a quick way to check your work, learn new concepts, and practice solving problems. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more quick Microsoft Copilot tips. Thanks for watching.